Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So next week is the start of the Easter break, or the end of next week is, and obviously that causes us some shipping heartburn. So just to keep you guys in the loop, if you're placing an order over this weekend, I should say, or prior to, we need payment by opening of business on Monday. So that would be today's the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So we need to have received payment by about 9 o'clock on the 11th of April. All orders at that point will be processed and will be dispatched that week. Any payment that we receive after that, or any order we receive after that, we're not going to guarantee it's going to get out, because our last shipment date is the Wednesday, to make sure that there's nothing sitting, or as little as possible, is sitting in depots around the country. So our last shipping time will be on the Wednesday. So if you order after the Monday, or your payment is received after that Monday morning, the chances are your shipment is going to go out on the following week. So that will be on the Tuesday after Easter. We will pick them, so they'll probably be shipped either that Tuesday or more likely the Wednesday. So that's just a quick update. Get your payment in by Monday the 11th. Or expect your shipment being shipped the following week after Easter. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.